Renaissance fam, Renaissance Cam here, back in effect. Welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, if y'all new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell to be alerted when these videos drop. So here we go, guys. We are not in the kitchen today, surprisingly. All right, we're out here fishing on Lake Jackson in Tallahassee, Florida, and it's a real beautiful day. I had to get out here and at least try something. All right, I'm not sure what I'm gonna do or what we're gonna catch, but I'm just glad to be out here and to be back fishing with you guys, because to be honest, it was kind of getting a little bit repetitive with the cooking videos, and I know the foundation of this channel was really structured around fishing at first, you know, and then it kind of broadened up. And like I said, I'm a broad person, so I would like this channel to remain as broad as possible, so you get the full me experience, you know, so you get the full I can do whatever I want to do type experience. You learn aspects of all parts of life. So that's one reason that we came back out here and I brought y'all fishing with me, all right? So a little bit of news about Lake Jackson. It is still very dry. It just maybe about, I want to say 6 to 8 months ago, it developed another sinkhole and drained the lake completely dry, all right? So with that being said, summer water has come back, but for the most part, it's still very, very dry and tough to navigate, all right? Today, I'm out here on a much deeper part of the lake, but it took me a lot of work to get here, all right? I did a lot of poling, and I have a duck motor, so a mud motor, whatever you want to call it, so it makes it a little bit easier to navigate out here. So I was able to get out here. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get out of here, but I was able to get out here, okay? So with that being said, we're gonna do a little bit of fishing. I'm gonna start bass fishing because I kind of got here early. So with that being said, I'm gonna just show y'all what I'm using. You know, pretty simple. It really stays simple on this channel. I don't use a lot of fancy lures when it comes to fishing, all right? I just keep it, you know, what I'm comfortable with. So we got a bass rod here, 20-pound test braid, and we got a paddle tail, you know, speed worm. It's called a speed worm. It's the XL version. And we just gonna try to throw this out there against those lily pads and through those lily pads and just kind of retrieve it right on top of the water, okay? Nothing serious, nothing, you know, that anybody can't do, okay? No, it's the damn bass. There you go, some hit. Got it, some got it, some get it. Got one. Caught my worm. Ah, you little boy. Ah, stop it. Nice fish, nice start. Nice healthy bass, man. Oh, yeah, look at this. Man, got one. Ugh, come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Get out of there. There you go. There you go. Like a bunch of something under there. Look at this guy. Fighting like a prime Tyson. Little guy too, come on, man. Give me a break. Why you gotta show out like You showing out for the channel? You showing out for the Renaissance fam? Come on. Get out of there. Look at this little guy. Little fighter. Little fighter. Look at that guy. See that guy? I can barely see him, but I don't know. These guys, I think they're bedding over here. I'm seeing a lot of movement every time I throw over there, so I'm thinking that these guys are bedding over here. This guy back in the water. I want to see if we can get him. Let's get him. Let's see if we can get him close. Come on close, buddy. Come on close. Come on close. You ain't gonna get it. You ain't gonna get it. There's a lot of movement over there, man. A lot of movement. I don't know what it is. I can't really tell what it is. I don't know if it's bass or brim or, I doubt it's specks. That's too low. That's too low over there to be specks, but it's got the action of a bass, man. Seriously. I'm telling you, man. I'm thinking we might get a 5 or 6 pounder out of here. Gotta keep fishing hard. I'm catching them on the weed line. Not as much over here. I've seen a lot of alligators, but I haven't seen any, show enough big bass out here yet. But I've seen a lot of movement. There's some movement over there. See the movement? See the movement? Trying to decide. Oh, look at this. Look at that movement. See him chasing it? See him chasing it? There he goes. Oh, Jesus Christ. That was epic. Here, buddy. Get in here, buddy. Look at there. He literally hit the boat when he came in. I might have knocked him out. DJ Khaled voice, though. Another one. Another nice fish, man. They're not big fish, but they're quality. They're healthy. They're nice. That one's not that healthy. I might have hit him when he hit the boat. But look, man, those are nice, healthy fish. He just got damaged when he hit that boat because I snatched the life out of him. But yeah, man, beautiful fish. Get on out of here, buddy. There you go. Damn, I hit my camera. Ugh, come on up. 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 Camera back, right? Come on, big boy. Come on, big boy. That's a nice one there. That is a nice. I knew he was over here. Look at that. Nice fish, man. Nice fish. Nice fish right there. All right, guys, so right now, the sun has met the trees, all right? Once the sun meets the tree line, that is the prime time to catch, your panfish. Any fish, really, because that's like a prime feeding time for all these fish. So what we're gonna do, we're just gonna jig around for a little bit. I got my little panfish grub right here, the Shad Assassin with the 1/16 ounce weight. Just gonna kind of pitch around these areas right here on the lily pad line and just kind of try to catch us some panfish real quick while we got a little bit of daylight left, all right? There you go. There you go. Big speck, yeah, nice speck. Nice speck here. Yes, sir. That's what we came here for. Right there. Stop moving. That's what I'm talking about right there. See that? This is what I came here for right here. Nice specks, man. He did it just like he used to do it. When we used to fish back here, I threw it out, I let it fall to the bottom. I just let it just bounce a little bit once it got to the bottom, and then he'd feel it thump, and he hit it. Too smooth. All right, guys, so the pan fishing did not go as planned. All right, I caught one nice speck, but it just wasn't the kind of action I was hoping for around this time of the day. All right, now I feel like this is actually gonna get a lot better because we're still early, and you know, the season is just starting to mellow out and, you know, become consistent. All right, it's been all up and down. It's just Florida weather. It'll be 28 degrees in the morning and 75, 80 degrees in the middle of the day. So it's just been pretty hard for the fish to adjust to. So I'm really glad I got to bring y'all back out here with me. It feels good to be back out here fishing, you know, starting from our roots. All right, this is basically where we started from on this channel, and we just kind of grew from there. But with that being said, I appreciate y'all for watching once again. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, hit that like button if you enjoyed this video. Y'all keep on learning, and I'll see y'all next time.